I'm Tony Ant News. I want to talk about means-tested benefits and savings, right? Because £16,000 is the limit, right? Now, it's been £16,000 since 2006. If that had been inflation linked, that would be £32,000-ish now. So you need to keep an eye on your savings, and that really affects things like universal credit, pension credit, right? Going into a care home, asking social services for help with carers. So you need to make sure that you stay within the rules, and you might need to spend a little of your money without breaking the rules of deprivation of assets. So if you go and buy a camper van, a boat, or a luxury car, that's clearly, deprivation of assets. But there again, if you fix your bathroom or your kitchen, with good cause, or your roof, then you get yourself back under the £16,000 threshold, then that's quite a wise manoeuvre. You can also buy a funeral plan. I mean, it's about £3,000 for a modest funeral plan. But apparently you can you can save as much as you want in a housing by paying up your rent in advance with your housing association or council. And apparently people have been doing that, and there's many thousands of pounds stashed in council coffers. And it almost outweighs the arrears from council tenants, apparently. So I'm told. Anyway, the rules are there. They're not fair, but you have to sort of work within them. I'm Tony, Ant News, Politics of Existing.